In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Klaviyo sender email. In order to do that, first head over to klaviyo.com and then from in there proceed to head over and put right here your email address. Then click onto this sign up. Just follow the on-screen instructions in order to create an account. Now once you have done that, you can successfully log in right now. So let me head over and log in into my account. Now here is actually my homepage and dashboard on my Klaviyo account. In order to actually change your default Klaviyo sender email, you just need to input and then click onto the account menu right here, which is your account as well. Click onto the settings that we can see right here into our actual sidebar. Then after that, this will open in here the account settings and personal. You can see that my email right now is currently this and my role is currently owner. So in order to change the actual sender email, you need to head over to the organization. Once you're in there, you can just head over and edit the default sender email. We have in here the default sender name. In here, we can see the default sender address. So you can change it if you would want. So for example, let's change it into like this. And then after that, you can head over and click onto this apply sender email to all messages if you would want. Scroll down and change in here everything that you wish to use onto this part as well. Now, once you have successfully saved this, head over and click onto the save option. After that, this will save this info, and whenever you actually send an email, this will actually come from this particular sender email address that we'll actually use right there. So you can utilize this into whatever we want to do for this as well. So there's all there is today, and I hope this video will actually help you out.